Hi, welcome to this video, how to create chart in Excel. So all I gotta do is this is an example here of a tutorial or a tutorial of this week, right? So all I gotta do is just select all. Let me go ahead and select this, basically. So I'm gonna just select them all here, right? So select all the topics. And all I gotta do is just go ahead and hit insert at the top. Inside, all I gotta do is just hit chart, right? You're gonna add a series to start visualizing your data. Okay, so let me scroll up. The stacker should be standard, right? Stack column card, you can select however template you want to imagine it, right? If you want to add x-axis, right? Series, let's say add aggregate there, B7, C7, etc. You can of course organize them however you want, or you can remove by hitting remove the different cells, and you can use column B as a header, right? Of course this would be the final result. So let me add like 100% instead. Add the chart style, background color should be red. Make it smooth, right? Go back, right? Say B12, C12. Make it aggregate or different ones. Let's say C1s, right? Or B31, etc. Or B6, C6. Basically, that's how it would look like, right? So let me go back and do it again so you can understand how it's done, right? So go back, right? Select all the topics here in the C section, right? Gonna stay in the C section. I selected the B recently, or selected B lately, selected B previously. Hit insert, chart. Start visualizing your chart. Hit aggregate, and of course select your column chart, right? Line chart or smooth line chart, or just keep it this way, right? And this is the topics basically. So yeah, you can switch rows and columns, do it however you want, or use 5 rows as headers, right? So basically that's how you create chart in Excel. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.